We're standing under a majestic baobab tree, and in this landscape there are beautiful baobabs, but there are also elephants, and there's not enough land for elephants in this landscape anymore. And what happens, they do start taking down big trees, and we've seen a lot of baobab deaths in this landscape as a result of elephant damage. So what we're trying to do is protect it from elephants. We've done a number of different things. We've put rocks around trees, put logs around trees, and eventually the elephants just move them away and still eat up the baobab trees. So this is what we have found across many different landscapes in the Limpopo River Valley, as well as in Zimbabwe and other places in Botswana, is if we can wrap wire mesh around the trees, this wire mesh will protect this tree for the next few decades going forward. When we wrap a baobab tree, you need a lot of manpower or woman power, and we first measure the baobab tree to see how wide it is, and then we put a first layer of mesh down here. We have to get it low enough right down to the ground, because elephants are able to get right down into the lower sections, and then we need to get another layer of mesh that's higher up, which is quite complicated. As you can see, we need 3 ladders, we need lots of hands, and we're pushing it up to get right across the top there. It has to be 3 meters high in order for elephants not to be able to get to the tree. And as you can see, the surrounding vegetation is Mopani bushveld or Mopani forest, and this tree rises above, so it's called an emergent, very much like the Brazilian forest where you see those emergent trees. They're very important for the ecology of this area. What it supplies is places for nests. You can see a nest that's up in the tree. It also provides perch sites for raptors that come through, for carnivores like leopards that can pull their prey into the tree, so it's safe from theft of other carnivores. Baobabs also supply a lot of nesting sites, a lot of little hollows and crooks and crannies in the trees. Often you have parrots and swallows that nest in the tree. It also provides food, because the big fruit are food for baboons. The flowers provide nectar for bats to drink from and moths to drink from. And so this tree in this landscape is a biodiversity hotspot, and so important that we try to protect it, to protect the biodiversity of this landscape.